this is Heidi with Kiddos Corral, and I got my dishwasher running back here. I'm going to open it slightly so that it doesn't run while I'm trying to shoot this. Okay, so today I want to show you guys, this is something that is super quick and easy, and this is a recipe that I whip up for my family of 5, like in the evenings on a really chilly day or evening, and you know, we're all sitting around and we all want something sweet, but I don't want to have to be in the kitchen forever to make it. So I'm going to show you guys how I make a very quick and simple apple crisp. Now, you do not have to make this an apple crisp. You can use a can of cherry pie filling. You can use blackberry. You can use blueberry. I'm using apple today because that is what I have on hand. What I have here is a glass pan that I have buttered. Let me just make sure you guys can see my pan. Yeah, you can. Okay, so with my spatula here, I am just going to empty the contents of my pie filling right on top. There we go. And this is good served with vanilla ice cream, but today I'm going to serve it with Cool Whip. I bought a lot of Cool Whip for Thanksgiving, and I just had a lot on hand, so I decided this would really be good today. Nice and cold outside, sunny today, but chilly, very chilly here. Okay, once you get that done, and that was easy enough, you want to have 2/3 of a cup of flour. This is just all-purpose flour, and I have that. You want to have 2/3 of a cup of oatmeal. Move this stuff out of my way. You want to mix in a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. You can also add nutmeg if you like, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, but I'm out, so I'm just going to do the cinnamon. And you just want to blend this thoroughly. And then I add in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Make sure that all of that is good and combined. And all you're going to do at this point is you are going, and I'm just going to use my hands, is you are going to break this up all over the tops of this pie filling. Now this is going to go into a 375-degree oven, and it is going to bake for 30 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. I need to make sure I don't have anything in there, which I don't. I'm going to preheat it to 375, and then I'm going to pop this into the oven. We're back to our apple crisp. The timer's about to go off. It's got a couple more seconds. But once it gets done in the oven, after 30 minutes, you want to take it out make sure you guys can see what it looks like. And you want to take a half a cup of butter. I'm looking for a knife here. You're going to take a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick. And remember, this is hot. And I cut this butter into pats. And I put it all over the top. And you want to stick this back in the oven until the butter is all melted and the top is all nice and brown and crumbly looking. So I just continue to cut pats. I'm going to say I put this back in the oven for another 10 minutes, maybe 10-15 minutes. And this is what makes this taste yummy, yummy, yummy. And this doesn't have to be perfect on the top. It's just going to melt and go into that brown sugar and that sugar that's still left on the top there. But I think what makes this recipe good to do it this way is the fact that I think that the crumble topping kind of bakes into the pie filling, and then this gives it an opportunity, I guess, to bake into the butter. I'm not real sure if that's why I like it, but to me it is the perfect tasting, easy apple crisp. So I am going to slip this back into the oven. Okay, here is my apple crisp out of the oven. And I'm going to serve it up. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So basically, all I'm going to do is get my Cool Whip out. My Cool Whip. And I need to get a bowl. Sorry it's taking so long. Okay, I want to make sure you guys can see, so I'm going to pull away a little bit. I take a little bit of this apple mixture, and of course you can wait for it to cool if you think it's just too hot, but I love it when it's good and steamy and hot. Just like that. As you can see it. And then I just want to top it with some Cool Whip. And you have a really nice dessert. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll be talking to you guys again soon. Bye-bye.